Today we're making sourdough hot cross buns. Traditionally served at Easter, delicious served split and spread with batter. Place flour, salt, sugar and spices in a bowl. Rub in the batter. Stir in the dried fruit and mixed peel. Add a beaten egg and the sourdough starter. Add enough lukewarm water to mix to a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead the dough until smooth and no longer sticky. Leave to rise. How long will depend on how active your starter is. Once doubled in size, divide into 12 and roll into balls. Place on a baking sheet, cover and leave to rise again. Pipe flour and water paste crosses onto the buns. Bake until golden, brush with the glaze and enjoy. Delicious. Thanks for watching. You'll find the full recipe on onlycrumbsremain.com.